Hello, welcome to New Crypto Coin. Thank you for following us on YouTube, newcryptocoin.com. We're on Twitter, New Crypto Coin. We're also on Instagram, New Crypto Coin. Yesterday, I want to bring you guys this news really quick. Yesterday, Binance an event. Binance reverses irregular trades, resumes trading amid community confusion about a hack. The largest crypto exchange by volume, Binance, was hacked this morning, March 7th. Numerous concerned users took to Reddit and Twitter and started complaining that their altcoins had been converted into Bitcoin without their permission, many of them not even logged into their accounts. Same thing happened to me. I had 100 USD worth 1548 today. I logged in so I can buy some XRP, but my account balance is 200 out of 1548, and apparently I bought 5 VIA coins and exchanged my USD to BTC while I was in the gym. According to several posts on Reddit, the Bitcoins were used to buy VIA coins for 0.025 BTC Upon receiving the Bitcoins, the attackers managed to withdraw them in small amounts without attracting attention. It took Binance administration almost an hour to freeze withdrawals after getting the first complaints, Reddit user Profi has claimed. It looks like Binance was not hacked. It seems like this was people had logged into a different phishing site and had given away their username and passwords. Let me just give you this too as well. So we want you to secure your trading account. I want to let you guys know too that Binance, one of the things they did do was they put out a statement. Oh, also some news with Binance lists Ontology today. Ontology is from the Neo airdrop. Ontology is an interesting coin. You guys want to check that out as well. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that Binance wasn't hacked. People that were using bots and phishing sites got hacked. So Binance itself wasn't hacked. Binance does list Ontology today. I just want you guys to also realize that you need to secure your coins, secure your account. Be careful when you sign in. Make sure you're at the right website. So here on Binance site, there's a summary of the phishing and attempted stealing incident on Binance. On March 7th, within this 2-minute period, the VIA BTC market experienced abnormal trading activity. Our automatic risk management system was triggered and all withdrawals were halted immediately. This was part of a large-scale phishing and stealing attempt. So far, all funds are safe and no funds have been stolen. The hackers accumulated user account credentials over a long period of time. The earliest phishing attack seems to have been dated back to early January. However, it was around February 22nd where a large, heavy concentration of phishing attacks were seen using Unicode domains looking very much like Binance.com, with the only difference being 2 dots at the bottom of the 2 characters. Many users fell for these traps and phishing attempts. After acquiring these user accounts, the hackers then simply created an API key for each account but took no further actions until yesterday. Yesterday, within the aforementioned 2-minute period, the hackers used API keys, placed a large number of market buys on the VIA BTC market, pushing the price high, while 31 pre-deposited accounts were selling VIA at the top. This was an attempt to move the BTC from the Fish accounts to the 31 accounts. Withdrawal requests were then attempted from these accounts immediately afterwards. However, as withdrawals were automatically disabled by our risk management system, none of the withdrawals successfully went out. Additionally, the VIA coins deposited by the hackers were also frozen. Catch that, guys. Additionally, the VIA coins deposited by the hackers was also frozen. So not only did the hackers not steal any coins, their own coins had been withheld. The hackers were well organized. They were patient enough to not take any immediate action and waited for the most opportune moment to act. They also selected VIA, a coin with slower liquidity, to maximize their own gains. After a thorough security check by Binance, we resumed withdrawals. Trading functionality was never affected. There was also some users whose accounts were phished by these hackers and their BTC were used to buy VIA excuse me, on other coins. Unfortunately, these trades did not execute any of the hackers' accounts as a counterpart. As such, we are not in a position to reverse those trades. We again advise all traders to take special precautions to secure their account credentials. Protecting our traders is and always has been our highest priority. Thank you for your support, Binance. So yeah, we can see the Binance has done a great job, but excuse me, guys. You should still I wouldn't leave much or any money on the exchanges, guys. This is another reason why you should. Excuse me, guys. I got a cold here. But yeah, you should not leave your money on the exchanges, guys. Get your wallet. These attempts, the stealing attempts, the phishing attempts will just increase as these centralized exchanges. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, but just don't leave your money on exchanges, guys. Definitely put your money in a wallet, your coins in a wallet. These attempts will increase as centralized exchanges keep growing. We want to have our money in decentralized exchanges, or just keep your money in a wallet. That'd be the best place, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for following New Crypto Coin. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Instagram, and we're also on YouTube. Thank you guys for your support. I have been out for a little while. I'll be back soon. I'm just dealing with some sickness, but I'll be back. Thank you guys for your support at New Crypto Coin. Have a good one, guys.